Bye, and welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here I come. In 3, look, 2, look, 1. Bye, welcome everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome all you daggone miscreants. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Bang, greatest show in the daggone multiverse. And we have a great show for you today. Bang, all right. Great show today, all right. Look, let's get to the stories. Let's see what we're working with. Hope everyone had a nice night last night. Here we are again. All right. So, VanEck ETF. The SEC is going to rule on that in November. We're going to read about that. And then Volt Bank and a crypto exchange team up in Australia. So, we're going to read about that. And then Ukraine, the country, legalizes crypto. So we're going to read about how deep did they go. I don't think they went all balls deep like El Salvador. But maybe. I don't know. I haven't read that one yet. And then we're going to do the shout-outs and daily summary as usual. So let's proceed how we proceed with a bang. Yes. Then we head on over here and we do a little bit of look, bang. And then we do a little bit of refresh. Get the fresh numbers. All right, price of Bitcoin, $45,909. And when I left you yesterday, we were at $47,010. So we've gone down. $1,101. $1,101. All right. Let's see who the top 10 are. Top 10 of the day. You know who they are, the usual suspects. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin, Tether, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, Polkadot, and USD Coin. All right. Let's see what the market moves are. Sickle digits up, sickle digits down. Whoa, Terra, look at you. 23% up. Bang. Single digits up, single digits down. Whoops. Single digits up, single digits down. Mostly down. All right, see the schizo market. Down 10% the other a couple days ago. Up 30% yesterday, like most coins. And then down, now down again. Massively, right? All right, single this up, single this down. Tezos, look at you. Single this up, single this down. Quant. Single this up, single this down. 2, single this up, 2, single this down. All right. Let's see who lost money today. If you see anything on here you like, go get it because, bang, it's on sale. Top 10 losers. Phantom, Perpetual Protocol, Near Protocol, Solana, Helium, Revane, Algorand, IOST, FTX Token, and Sushi Swap. Let's see who made money today. Let's look at the top 10 gainers. Or some gains, though. All right, top 10 gainers. Terra, Icon, Tezos, Mina, Quant, Harmony, Arweave, Avalanche, Cosmos, and Kusama. All right, let's look at the total market cap. All right. Total market cap is $2.075 trillion. So when I left you yesterday, we're at $2.144 trillion. So you've gone down. 0.069 trillion dollars. All right. Let's see what the 24-hour volume is. All right. 24-hour volume is $128.2 billion. When I left yesterday, we were at $165.5 billion. So we have gone down $37.3 billion. All right, let's get to the stories. Bang! All right, SEC sets November deadline for final decision on VanEck Bitcoin ETF. All right. So, all right, well, so you all know what's going on here in America. We want a Bitcoin ETF badly, badly, badly. They got them in Canada. It's the Germans, and the Swiss have them. Brazil has them. There's one in Bahrain. We want them. They're not giving it to us because they say it's market manipulation. There could be market manipulation. That's the excuse. Well, the Germans and the Swiss have had ETPs over there, they're called in Europe, for the same thing as an ETF for over a year, no market manipulation. So what's the excuse now, right? And so that's what we're waiting for here in America. That's the fucking shiny object everybody wants, which is true. We want that. All right, and so around here we obviously keep track of every single ETF application and every SEC decision. So, look, let's check out what this is about. So it looks like a delay. Wait, what's going on with my... Whoa. Sorry, 1 second, guys. All right. The Securities and Exchange Commission has once again delayed ruling on VanEck's bid for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. The U.S. regulator on Wednesday gave itself until November 14th to approve or reject VanEck's Bitcoin trust. So we're not going to have a ruling until November 14th for the VanEck one. One of the earliest Bitcoin ETF hopefuls to try its luck this filing cycle, and the first whose judgment day has been delayed 3 times. That's an important distinction. The SEC can only extend its consideration period for prospective ETFs 3 times. So you know how it works. So you apply for an ETF, and the SEC at any time can say approve or denied. But after 90 days, they have to extend their period of consultation, I guess it's called, right? And they can do that only 3 times. So this is the 3rd one, meaning that on November 14th, is it November? Yeah, November 14th, they have to rule on it. So they have to say either approve or denied on November 14th. All right. So the SEC can only extend its consideration period for prospective ETFs 3 times. Unless it rules on one of the many other Bitcoin ETF applications in the interim, November 14th will yield a final answer on where VanEck's offering stands. Asset managers have rushed to modify their offerings in recent weeks, filing ETFs based on Bitcoin futures market instead of the Bitcoin spot market. We talked about that. You know, Gary Gensler, he said, I could be interested in looking at a Bitcoin futures ETF, right? So everyone, amended their applications to say, okay, we'll put futures contracts in it. Forget the spot market, right? So the strategy change followed remarks by Gary Gensler about what that futures may be preferred. All right, so there he is. So there's an update, guys. That's the VanEck filing. We've been following VanEck. They have filed, I don't know, this must be the 4th one, the 4th time, Yeah, but everyone wants to do it. Everyone wants to be first, obviously. And so this is it, though. But this is the final extension. So they're only allowed to extend it 3 times. This is the 3rd extension the SEC is doing. And on November 14th or before, we are going to have an answer for VanEck's Bitcoin ETF filing. All right. Let's move on. But Australian neobank Volt partners with crypto exchange in a first-of-its-kind deal in the country. I think a neobank, maybe I'm wrong, but I think a neobank is a bank with no branches, right? Like there's no physical bank. It's just all online, right? I think is what a neobank is. So this neobank is called Volt, and it's partnering with a crypto exchange to offer some services. So let's check it out. Australian neobank Volt has partnered with BTC Markets, BTCM, to provide the cryptocurrency exchange with banking capabilities. Oh, so they're offering banking to the exchange. All right. BTCM, which is around 325,000 Australian customers, will now be able to offer its users access to a corporate cash management account with real-time notifications and payment automation. Oh, so it is for the bank. All right. So in the coming months, the exchange will... No, it's not. What? Oh, they're doing it together. I see. All right, I get what... Hold on. Let me just read this shit. In the coming months, the exchange will invite its customers to open Volt bank accounts for real-time trading, the company said. Deposits in Volt accounts are actually covered by the protection of a maximum of 250,000 Australian dollars, about 186,000 American dollars. So they're insured per account holder under the financial claims scheme, added the firm. So, you know, here in America, every bank account in America under FDIC insurance is $250,000. So every American bank account, $250,000 or less, you're fully insured. If something happens, yeah, you're going to get your money back. This is the first of its kind deal in the country, which could help neobanks break into the banking market with low-cost offers. Australia is currently dominated by the big four banks, Commonwealth Bank of Australia, Westpac Bank Corp, New Zealand Banking Group, and National Australia Bank, which collectively control nearly 80% of the market. Earlier this year, Australia's banking watchdog, the Australian Prudential Regulation Authority, APRA, initiated stricter requirements for companies seeking banking licenses, further increasing the scrutiny of new entrants in the market. It highlighted concerns around neobanks. All right, so there you go. So, bang! So a neobank has partnership with a crypto exchange. And so these guys are going to offer exchange, but through this bank, and those exchange accounts are going to be insured up to 250,000 Australian dollars, or about 186 American dollars, thousand American dollars. All right, so that's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. All right, let's move on. Bang! Ukraine's parliament approves bill legalizing and regulating crypto. So here we go, man. All these countries all of a sudden just boom, 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 boom. I mean, you have to understand these countries have had these laws going through their parliaments and their congresses for years. Right? It's just that they're finally getting finished with it, right? All right, so let's check it out. So Ukraine has joined the list of countries that have approved laws to legalize and regulate cryptocurrencies. According to a Wednesday report by a local media outlet, Ukraine's parliament, the Verkhovna Rada, has approved a bill that will see crypto and other digital assets become legal in the country. Bang! Oh, they maybe are going fucking full on El Salvador style. The bill was approved with a total of 276 votes from the Ukrainian lawmakers on September 8th, a couple days ago. So what the bill entails. Once the bill is officially signed by the country's president, Volodymyr Zelensky, the new law will serve as a protection for digital asset owners and crypto exchanges from fraud. For the longest time, cryptos have never been viewed as either legal or illegal in Ukraine due to the lack of laws defining them, any laws defining them. Citizens can make crypto transactions, but we're not guaranteed the government's protection whenever something went wrong. Exactly. That's like what happened in Russia. Some hacker stole a bunch of crypto from this couple, and so they found out who the hacker was and took him to court. And he actually got found guilty, but the Russian government didn't give them their crypto back because the government says, well, it's not your property. It's not property. It's nothing here in Russia. This doesn't exist in Russia because there's no law for it. And so they won the case, yeah, but they didn't get their crypto back. And so that's the beauty of when they write laws about these things. Well, now your crypto is protected by law. If someone steals it from you and you take them to court, yeah, you're going to get it back. right? That's one of the benefits of having, regulations. It's not just, I always talk about the regulations in terms of, oh yeah, the whales are going to come, the institutions are going to come, the tsunami is going to come, which will make us rich, which it will, and it is going to. And it's already begun. But there's more to regulatory clarity than just the money part. There's the stuff of, okay, well, what if you die? Well, not if you will die one day. Well, where does the money go? To your wife, the kids? Like, how do you make it a legal thing, where you can put it in a will? And, well, if I die, I leave this much Bitcoin to my daughter. I leave this much to my son. I leave this much to my wife, right? These are the kind of laws, like right now you can't do that, right? There are no laws for that. And so there's more to regulatory clarity than just the money part. The tsunami part that I always tell you about. There's things like this in that it gives you protections. If someone steals your crypto, now you can sue them and get your money back, right? Whereas right now, not really. You know what I mean? Okay. So it's more, so I want you to understand that regulatory clarity is more than just the tsunami of money that we're going to get, but stuff like that, like being able to leave it for your family when you die or being able to get it back when someone steals it from you. So a spokesperson for the Ministry of Digital Transformation noted that Ukraine is also planning to open the cryptocurrency market for businesses and investors by 2022. But, however, the country's parliament will have to pass a set of laws and amend the tax code and the civil code first. Right, which you have to do. The law will allow crypto-related businesses to operate in Ukraine, but they must pass state registration requirements and submit the necessary reports on their activities to the competent authorities. So the country's Ministry of Digital Transformation, the National Bank of Ukraine, the National Securities Commission, and other top financial watchdogs will be the main regulators of the virtual assets market, according to the law. Of course they will. Sadly, though, despite being legalized, digital currencies cannot be used as a means of payment in Ukraine in the meantime, but citizens can hold and trade them on different foreign and domestic crypto exchanges in the country. So, a favorable environment for crypto businesses. Ukraine's Minister of Digital Transformation, Mikhailo Fedorov, noted that legalizing crypto will improve their safety and encourage more Ukrainians to invest in it, and also encourage crypto businesses to register in the country. Only a few countries in the world have legalized crypto assets. Germany, Luxembourg, Singapore, Ukraine will be one of them. And obviously, El Salvador the other day. Favorable conditions will allow countries to register in the Ukraine rather than abroad. The entrepreneurs will pay taxes to the budget, but will be protected by the state. El Salvador, the first country to make Bitcoin a legal tender, celebrated its Bitcoin Day by increasing its Bitcoin holdings. All right, so bang, so there you go. Ukrainians, all right, welcome to the party, welcome to the party. You guys are getting legalized, regulated. It's all good. And like I said, I'm always talking about the regulations in terms of our money, like you and I, how much we're going to make when hedge fund masters and all these masters arrive. But it's way more than that. There's way more to regulation than just, yay, these guys can get here. Like I said, there's, being able to put it in your will, pass it down to your kids and stuff, making trust funds out of it. And so, for your kids and stuff. And like I said, like that story about in Russia, right? They won, that couple that got their stuff hacked, they actually caught the hacker, brought him to court. He's in jail. Yeah, but they don't get their crypto back because it's not property. It's not registered as anything in Russia. It's not an asset or anything. It's nothing. So if it's not there in a legal state, well, then you don't get your shit back. Give you back what? My Bitcoin. Why? It's not yours. It's not property. It's nothing here. Yeah, man, laws are very important. That's why we watch laws here all the time. All right, so let's move on to the shout-outs. Bang! We got Deep Entertainment. Look, soul brother. Look, soul brother. Love brother, see brother. Bang! Van Breeden. Look, Michelle. Van Breeden. Not tonight, though. But we got Michelle Van Breeden and Kitty Van Breeden. Love you guys. See you guys. Bye. Michelle and Kitty. Looks. Sunny Bee, Spy Lady, Levy Lady, Sea Lady, the Assassin. Bang. Universal Misanthrope, a loyalist from Central Europe, holding down the Central European insurgency. Levy Brother, Sea Brother. Bang. What's he talking about? Exactly. What's he saying here? Exactly about what? Oh, yeah. So this was the DP, of course, had to post a video of someone buying coffee with crypto to drive me crazy. And then, and so Airdropper says, learn nothing from the pizza guy, dumbass. Bang. So first of all, Airdropper, son of a bitch. Bang. 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 Got you wrong, hey. Son of a bitch. Got you wrong, Kaz. Never with the Sea Brother. No one save ya. Bang. And so that's what he's saying. You know, there's a guy, Bitcoin Pizza Guy. I don't know. It was like back in 2010, 2011. He spent 10,000 Bitcoins for a Domino's pizza. Yeah, he gave someone 10,000 Bitcoins if they would order him a pizza to his house. He'd be a multi-billionaire right now. Fuck. So, learn nothing from the pizza guy, dumbass. And then, of course, Universal Misanthrope, being the smart man he is, says, exactly. Bang! These fucksticks don't learn, do they? These fucking idiots don't learn. Oh, well. Takes all kinds to have a world. Dumb ones and smart ones. Thankfully, we are the latter. All right, technically bullish. Lever with the zebra, the bang! Learn nothing from the pizza guy. Exactly. What are you guys, stupid or what? It's fucking spending your crypto on coffee, you fucking morons. KJ Gatsby. It's your money. You do what you want with it. You know? That's how you want to treat yourself. Go for it. KJ Gatsby. You know, a little masochistic, isn't it? KJ Gatsby, lever with the zebra, the bang. Chief Vizo with the Pascu Yaki tribe. V-Chain Masters, V-Chain Hodlers, V-Chain Killers. Tool Masters. Love you, Chief. See you, Chief. Bang. Robbie Hardaway, been here so long, his pictures in black and white. Look, lever with the zebra, the bang. Andrew Richeda, the enforcer. Look, what are you trying to sell there, fuckstick? Trying to sell that crypto? Psh, settle down. Hodl. The juice is worth the squeeze. Tell him, Andrew. Whoops. Lever with the zebra, the bang. All right. Grudgeable. Lever with the zebra, the bang. Radster, 1975, holding down the insurgency in Eastern Europe. Look, from Prague. Lever with the zebra, the bang. All right, there's Lorna. Look, Lorna all in doubt said, look, fucksticks. I'm here to play. And look, bang. I'm all in. Oh, yeah, I'm all in, fuckers. What you know about that? It's how she did him. That's how she do him. That's how she be. Lorna all in down. Levy girl, see you, girl. Bang. All right, that's everybody, isn't it? That's everybody. Oh, this guy. Oh, because I talked about the La Liga thing yesterday. So he sent me a video of all-time La Liga top scorers. So this guy is obviously a true fan. So, el túnel del tiempo. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. There you go. And I did watch your video, actually. I did watch this video. So thanks. You know, goal after goal after goal. Goal. I love it. All right, let's get back to the Death Star, everybody. I have a quick show today. Bang! Just a quickie. You know, nothing to really preach about, nothing to yap about. Just, it is what it is. All right, so let's get to it. So, SEC sets November VanEck ETF ruling. So, this is the third time that you apply for an ETF. The SEC can extend the approval period, I guess you call it, 3 times. So this is the third. So this goes till November 14th. So between now and November 14th, the SEC has to either approve or deny VanEck's ETF. We'll see. I think this is their spot market one. So we'll see if it gets approved or not. Come on, big brain. But we'll see. I mean, big brains, like the article said, he said, yeah, I like the futures contract ones. The spot market ones, not so much. And so we'll see if they get it. All right, and we'll keep you posted here, obviously, because we watch every single ETF thing that comes out of the SEC. So, bang, keep you posted. All right, and then Volt Bank, crypto exchange team up in Australia. And so, crypto people are going to do their trading on the exchange, but the exchange told them to open Volt bank accounts, right? And so, which are insured, which is great. So if there's a problem, you get your money back. And so, up to the insurance level anyway. And so, yeah, great stuff. First of its kind. We're an exchange and a bank team up, sort of to offer a insured trading account. Yeah, great stuff. So good for you guys in Australia. If you're an Australia crypto person, well, you know what to do. Go open yourself a Volt account, and you're insured, baby. No worries now. So for Australian hodlers, bang! And finally, Ukraine legalizes crypto, and so yeah, they legalized it. They brought clarity, and like in most countries, crypto is not banned, but it's not legal either. Like here in America, if Starbucks wants to take Bitcoin, and I think some Starbucks do, if a business wants to take Bitcoin, they're allowed, right? Yeah, they're allowed to. So it's not legal like in El Salvador where you have to take Bitcoin, where it's full legal tender, you have to take it. But if they want, they can, right? And that's how Ukraine was. But now, with the clarity, like I said, it's not. I'm always talking to you guys about, because we're here for money, right? That's what this channel is about. Well, this channel is about just getting you positioned with a nice portfolio, so when a tsunami arrives of money, when a bunch of money arrives after regulatory clarity. But there is way more to regulatory clarity than just the money part, right? We don't talk about it here because, well, this channel is about you making millions, right? But, that I'm trying to help you do that, right? And so, but the truth is there's way more. And like I said, the two examples that I gave, like that Russian couple, they got their shit stolen. They won in court. Yeah, but they don't get their crypto back. Get what back? My crypto. Well, it's nothing. It's not property. It's not anything. You don't own this, right? Because there's no law saying it's property, right? That's how laws are. Legal stuff, man. It's all in the devil's in the details. It's in the fine print, right? Again, another thing about regulation. Well, what if I die? Like, how can I get this passed down to my child, my wife, whoever, right? Yeah, you want to have, like here in America and where you live too, I'm sure, right? When you write a will, that's legally binding. Yeah, well, if you have crypto, but crypto's not regulated, well, you can't put it in a will. Or you could probably put it in a will, but it won't be legally binding because it's not anything yet, right? It's not property. It's not a commodity. It's not a securities yet. It's nothing yet. And so there's many, many other things that regulatory clarity will bring us to this market. It's not just the money, the tsunami part, but obviously that's what we care about because we're on this channel to talk about making money, but there's more to it, right? A lot of you guys have wives and kids. Yeah, well, what if you die? Where's your crypto going to go? Right? See what I'm saying? Little things like that. And so there's a lot more to regulation than just the money. All right, so that's great for the Ukrainian people. They're going to have their shit regulated. Yeah, I mean, and that's what's awesome. That's what we want, right? And so worldwide. And so Ukrainians, lucky you. Bang. And on that note, let's shill it and kill it. Bang. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below and press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang. Love talking crypto. Bang. This is the favorite time of my day. So thanks for having me in your home, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. Until then, subscribe here and press the bell. You don't want to miss the greatness. Watch that video there to taste some of the greatness, and I'll see you all tomorrow. All right, my name's Shomari Clarke. Always watching that money, and lucky for you, fuckstick, I am always on duty. Look. Bye. Till tomorrow. Over and out.